I designed and built this motion-activated cat doorbell. Meet June and Pippa. It's cold outside, and I think they spend too much time on my front doorstep. So I created a cat doorbell that will notify me when they are there. It runs on an ESP32 with a passive infrared sensor and a battery integrated onto the back. The initial plan was to notify me by email, but it quickly spammed my inbox, so I designed this remote receiver that plugs straight into the wall and notifies you when motion is detected. It runs on a 120 to 5 volt converter in ESP8266. This is what it looks like, and this is how it sounds.